This video is regarding QXchange Online Integration process. This session will walk you through the following steps: user registration and activation, profile setup, source data, apply source filter, field mapping, profile execution, and post-execution review. Let me navigate to the QXchange registration link to create a new login. Enter the user ID. User first name, last name, and password. Then click on Sign Up. An activation link will be sent to the registered email ID. Open the email and click on the activation link to verify the account. Click here to log in, and then you will then be redirected to the application login page. The home page appears and we have profiles list, displays all profiles, new profile, creates a new profile or migration process. Run profile, executes a selected profile to transfer variables, stores reusable values and parameters. And finally reports, provides execution logs, status details, and these are the functionalities. Now I am changing the application theme to the midnight blue theme. Next, I am navigating to create a new profile. These are the existing dApps in the source. And these are the existing dApps in the target. This layout simplifies the integration business case by illustrating how QXchange acts as a central hub to seamlessly pass data between Bill.com and Salesforce. Let me enter the profile name for execution. Select Bill.com as source. And Salesforce as target. Let me take the customer's object in the source and click on View Data. Then go to Source Filter and enter the desired records need to be filtered. And click Accept. Now check the records available in the Target section. And only one sample data available, then map the fields like name to name. Billing address country name to billing country. Phone to phone. If the target column is less, then indication will be popped. Fax to fax. and finally account number to account number. And then click on Save or Save and Execute. The integration run will be initiated. Wait until the status changes to Loading Data Completed. To confirm whether the data has been transferred successfully, I am logging into the Salesforce UI and verifying that the data has been transferred from the source system. Thank you for watching this QXchange online overview.